The gadgets that we're going to represent to you in this video are going to change your life, and that's for sure. Gadgets that every man should possess. They're so practical, and you can use them in various situations. From the best massager in the world to 21 tools in one gadget to help you in every given situation, from survival to everyday occasions. Stay with us and find out about the 10 gadgets every man must have, available on Amazon. Number 10. 3-in-1 multi-charging cable. Guys, let's be honest, no one wants their mobile battery empty, and that's for sure. But it happens a lot. Are you maybe tired of carrying a ton of cables with you every day to work? Or maybe you wish there was a product that'll have all-in-one. Then this 3-in-1 multi-charging cable is just for you. Did you know that from now on you shouldn't carry 3 different cables with you? You should only purchase this compatible charger, and then the problem is solved. Now, we're going to represent you with the coolest cable that's going to ease your life, and that's for sure. A perfect multi-purpose charging product, especially for busy people who travel a lot. You can easily hold it in your hand and effortlessly fit it into your pocket too. Such an amazing product every guy should possess, right? Number 9. Rolling knee pads. Wow, this product is going to change your life, and that's for sure. No more knee pain. These incredible Milescraft 1603 knee blades knee pads are going to ease your work in such a fantastic way. The wheel knee pads have a 360-degree turning ability, so you do not need to constantly lift from the floor. They go together with a gel pad, a strong plastic outer shell, and a strap so you can strengthen them around your knees for perfect stability. And that's not all. With just one push of the button, these incredible pads turn themselves into knee blades. They can advance the job completion and also improve your mobility, created to affect you positively in so many ways. Number 8. Magnificent lighter. Guys, this is not just a regular lighter, it's actually one of the most stylish ones. Its outstanding design and smart features make this incredible lighter stand out amongst all others. Believe it or not, this lighter is actually activated by a laser. You can forget about the traditional openings. It immediately detects your fingerprint as well. Furthermore, this phenomenal lighter is like a dream to those who smoke cigarettes because it's windproof, which actually makes it perfect for outdoor events. You can charge it and you can see the battery status out of the lights placed on the front. Lovely! Number 7. A card you need. Guys, this is incredible. Such an innovative, compact survival kit. You get 17 high-quality tools placed in just one metal card that can fit anywhere. In your pocket, in your wallet, you can place it wherever you want. If you're wondering what this card has, let us explain. Let's start with the perfect mini knife and dual-edged saw. They can serve you in a variety of situations, really needed in a men's pocket. You can also find numerous fishing tools such as 2 harpoons, 6 hooks, and also a lure. It also possesses 2 sewing needles and tweezers. Just amazing! Number 6. EILIKS Survival Gear Kit 24-in-1. This is for sure the best gift you can give your husband, boyfriend, or anyone of the male gender. Such a practical bag. It possesses 24 tools that can help in any difficult situation you can possibly come across, or also rescue yourself from different kinds of danger. In the box, you can find a very sharp foldable knife, multifunctional knife, climbing hooks, unique fish gear kit, emergency blanket, flashlight, and you can also find a multifunctional fork that serves as a spoon, wrench, bottle opener, and a harpoon too. Isn't that amazing, guys? This is a survival box that every man needs to possess, right? Number 5. GS Large Size Mousepad. Many men dream about having this product that we're going to present now. This incredible and large mousepad has a space for both keyboard and mouse. It perfectly matches on various surfaces such as glass, desks, and also tables. It'll ease your life, and that's for sure. No more mouse slips. You can forget about that. It also provides a perfect resting place for your hands, so from now on, you can freely write, type, and use your mouse without any discomfort. We can also mention that the material is waterproof. Guys, what are you waiting for? Go grab this magnificent mousepad, and you're going to love it for sure. Number 4. Pocket Multi-Tool Knife. Even though this shiny small gadget seems like some regular modern accessory, that's not the case here. we present you the smallest and the most practical multi-gadget knife you can ever get to help you in any given situation. We mean every man should have something like this in their pocket, isn't that right? It has so many options. This Victorinox Swiss Army Field Nester Pocket Multi-Tool Knife Red has it all from a regular knife to tiny saw. Look at these incredible tiny knives. They're one of the most crucial things in this incredible package. A must-have product. Gadgets to bless any man's pocket. Number 3. Screen Magnifier for Smartphone Mobile Phone 3D Magnifier Projector. Such a perfect product. If you're the kind of person who loves watching movies and videos on your mobile phone, you may wish you have some gadget that'll magnify your smartphone screen so you can watch your videos on a much larger surface. Well then, this screen magnifier is just for you. It is one of the best products ever. You can use it as a mobile projector screen. It even makes the size of your screen doubly large, so you can enjoy watching your favorite TV shows and movies on your smartphone fully, and of course, in HD resolution. Such an adorable product that every man should have next to him. Prepare your popcorn, and right next to the screen magnifier for smartphone, you can have the best movie night ever. Number 2. FIXR Multi-Tool. Men would love this multifunctional gadget. This would not only help you in survival situations, but you can also use it in so many other day-to-day tasks. Basically, anything a man needs on a daily basis. It has it all. A bottle opener, a quick release clip, a nail cleaner, also a huge flathead screwdriver, as well as a medium flat screwdriver. And that's not all. It has a small flat eyeglass screwdriver and a medium Phillips screwdriver too. Amazing, right? Number 1. Massage Gun Muscle Therapy Gun. Such an amazing product. Is there anyone that doesn't need a massage gun at their home? This incredibly powerful multifunctional massage gun is deeply relieving the pain and stiffness of your sore muscles, and also is giving you a powerful and profound massage therapy. You are going to feel completely renewed, and your muscles are going to be relaxed and refreshed. It is absolutely worth having this magnificent product. Not only is it powerful, but it's also quiet while working, so you can completely enjoy your massage into a perfect, relaxing silence. Amazing product any man should have. Guys, that'd be it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment in our comment section below about your best gadget from our video. What would you purchase from our list? Is there anything that catches your attention? Also, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more thrilling info like this, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of them. And of course, thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video.